Hello, namaskar dosto. So in this video I would like to share with you all that how I am learning this amazing language. And to be honest, I am going to be very straightforward. Okay, so first and foremost important thing is that key that this is just a language. Okay, this is just a language. And actually, I have done a lot of hard work to learn this language, to understand this language. If we talk about myself, then I belongs to Hindi medium student. Okay, so uh, I was very weak in this language without any doubt. And I you know did lot of hard work. Even I noted down many words, sentences, phrases, many things. But eventually I was not able to speak this language, to be very honest. And what I got to know to speak this language, I think it's became too late. But for you all, I'm here and you are not going to be late. So definitely I would like to share those things which I did to learn this language. And few of them work for me and many of them not. Okay, so what worked for me to learn this language, to understand this language, uh, the first thing was the practice. So I used to note down the many things, many sentences, many words, and many things. But eventually I used not to do practice. So that's created lot of problem. And uh, even I got demotivated. And I try to make distance from this language. But eventually I got to know that you have to do practice. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter that you have lot of plethora of words or phrases. In limited sentences, in limited word, in limited phrases, you can speak this language fluently. And of course, I used to work a lot of on my grammar. But I got to know that that things also does not work. Okay, the thing is that firstly you have to start thinking in this particular language, because this is the just a language. It's not like that about the knowledge.